Best audio settings for Vizio TV. So, since Vizio TV is a smart TV, and in general, smart TVs pretty much have the same settings, the only thing different at a certain point would be the names, the layouts, and pretty much everything else. So, in most Vizio TVs, it would usually have these settings over here, or less, or even less than this. So, also, pretty much depends on whoever's watching, of course, and their preference. So, there's going to be a lot of settings you can do in your TV or your Vizio TV audio settings. And because of that, you have options and it can be switched to your own preference. So we're just going to go ahead and explain what you can do or what kind of settings you can go for on your Vizio TV. So the first one over here would be the sound mode. So select the sound mode that best suits your audio needs. So in your sound modes, it's pretty much gonna explain already what it is for. So you have that movie. Of course, you use it for movies since it enhances bass for the best movie experiences. You have the music option if you're listening to music. You have voice. Maybe you're listening to podcasts, I suppose. You have the game if you have a console or just playing games in general in your TV, and sports. So virtual surround sound effect and emphasizes human voice. So those are the first options you have when you're changing your audio settings in your TV. Next is the surround virtualizer. So this pretty much means it makes your sound feel like it's coming from different directions. So not just in one singular place. You can go ahead and turn this on, which usually just fits for most of what you do in your TV, like movies, playing games, and pretty much everything else. If you want to boost the bass levels, then you can go ahead and do that. There are preferences from other people where they want a lower bass for some reason. They could choose that. Or if you want a higher bass, of course, you can go ahead and choose that. Of course, you can go ahead and test out if you like it or not. Next, you have a dialogue enhancer. It pretty much just enhances the dialogue for clarity. So it pretty much just helps you understand conversations more clearly. So go ahead and choose a level for that. You also have the definition over here, which just enriches high frequency details. There's a level for that, so you can go ahead and change it from low to high, or you can turn it off with pretty much the other options as well. There's audio delay over here. You can adjust the delay time between audio and video track. So the higher the delay, the longer the audio will come out compared to what's actually happening on the screen. So most of the time, it's actually just better to keep that on 0. Well, also keep in mind that different Vizio TVs can have different audio settings depending on the model. So you can always just go ahead and try exploring or tweaking the sound mode yourself to see what fits you the best. But that's pretty much how you could possibly get your own best sound options in a Vizio TV. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.